Hi everyone, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and in this video we're going to make these delicious peanut butter M&M cookies. These cookies are the perfect combo of soft, chewy peanut butter cookies, melty mini chocolate chips, and crunchy peanut butter M&Ms for a fun, colorful, and irresistibly delicious treat. Please take a minute to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any new recipes, and let's get started. Here are the ingredients that you'll need. 1 cup of softened butter, 1 cup of creamy peanut butter, 1 box of instant vanilla pudding mix, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 eggs, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 cup of mini chocolate chips, and 1 cup of mini peanut butter M&Ms. In a mixing bowl, whisk together the flour, salt, and baking soda. Then set the bowl aside. Cream together the butter and the peanut butter with a stand mixer or a hand mixer. Add the brown sugar, white sugar, and pudding mix and beat again. Add the eggs one at a time and mix to combine. Add the flour mixture to the peanut butter mixture and mix. Gently fold in the chocolate chips and the peanut butter M&Ms. Use a 2-tablespoon cookie scoop to measure the dough and place on a parchment paper-lined baking sheet about 2 inches apart. Bake the cookies at 375 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes. After removing the cookies from the oven, allow them to rest on the baking sheet for 5 minutes before transferring to a cooling rack. I hope you love these peanut butter M&M cookies as much as I do. The full recipe will be in the description, as well as a link to the printable version at MommyMouseClubhouse.com. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you next time!